Hello! In this video, I'll show how I would cook Nigerian jollof rice with basmati rice. You all know that we use the long grain parboiled rice for all Nigerian rice recipes. Basmati rice is a soft variety of rice and it is quite challenging to prepare jollof rice, fried rice and all other Nigerian one-pot rice recipes with it. The bigger the quantity of rice you're cooking, the more challenging it becomes. Here are the ingredients you will need. First, prepare the tomato stew if you don't have some in your freezer. If you have some, bring it out from the freezer to defrost overnight. Cut and cook the chicken with onions, thyme and stock cubes. I'm using a pressure pot because it cooks the tough female chicken super fast. While that is cooking, we prepare the rice. Boil some water and pour it on the basmati rice. Stir very well, making sure that the hot water touches every grain of rice. Pour it out immediately into a sieve and set aside to drain. When the chicken is done, add salt, stir and separate the chicken from the stock. Then grill or broil them. You can also deep fry them. Everything is ready, let's cook the jollof rice. Set a clean pot on the stove. Add the chicken stock, tomato stew and a small quantity of water. Add pepper to your taste and curry powder. Stir very well, cover and cook till it boils. Then add the rice. By this time, you will notice that you can easily cut the rice with your fingernails. Stir very well and make sure the water is at the same level as the rice. If less, top it up with water, then add salt if necessary. Cover and cook on low to medium heat till all the water dries up. When you bite into the rice, you will notice that it still has a raw taste and it is quite dry. Please do not be tempted to add more water to it because it will ruin it. Stir the rice gently and turn off the heat. At this time, you can add more tomato stew if you want the rice to have that popping red color. Cover with aluminium foil and the pot cover. Make sure it is as airtight as possible so that no heat escapes. Leave it like that for 5 to 7 minutes and the rice will be well done and yori. You can leave it for longer if you want it softer. Once you're happy, transfer the rice to another pot so that the grains will not stick together. There you have it. This is how I would prepare jollof rice with basmati rice so that it is well done, not soggy, not burnt, and above all, tasty. Do you cook jollof rice with basmati rice? How do you prepare it? Let me know in the comments. See you soon!